All right, this is a review of the torque screwdriver here. I'm going to read over your questions here and just kind of go down the list here. So, first question is, can the product's basic functions meet the fundamental needs of customers for this type of product? So, you sent this to me because I reviewed another product that I use for torquing screws on firearms, basically. And so, for me, this product does not meet that need, and this is why. On the dial here, when you dial this, the numbers are, first of all, the numbers are hard to see, but when you dial this here, the numbers on the dial and the numbers on the meter here do not match. And so basically, I need to, from what I was able to tell, I need to dial 2 times around in order to have these here actually match up. So to move 10 inch pounds, you would think that it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the dial, but it's actually 2 times around to get the 10 inch pounds up here. So I have to dial 20 inch pounds on the dial to get 10 inch pounds on the scale here. So, when you're dealing with small items, which this is designed for, having a precise measurement is important. And so, for that, this here I wouldn't use this here on any of my firearms because the calibration isn't correct. And so that actually goes into the next question, which is, does the product have any critical pain points or quality issues? So aside from the calibration not being correct, the actual control is actually pretty stiff. I notice there's a screw on the bottom underneath the cap here. I'm not sure what that was for. I tried adjusting that to see if I can get it to loosen up a little bit, but I really didn't get this here to actually uh, adjust easily. And so, it becomes pretty hard. And I'm only on like 20, it's only showing 20 inch pounds right now. And it's already like, I got to put some muscle into getting this thing around. So you see, like right now, I got to put some muscle into the thing to actually get it to turn. And I'm right now it's showing 30 inch pounds. So, I don't know how to get that smoother, but that's just not, it's not pleasant to have to put that much force into turning the dial. What do I recommend about the product? To have any, and where would I rate it? This particular one, I'm not sure if this is a unique issue, but this particular one, I would give this here on a scale of 1 to 10. I give this here like a 2 because it just doesn't work for me. It doesn't work. It doesn't work well, and it's not accurate. And so, the things that I like about the product, so it actually feels very good in the hand. The ergonomics on it is well. I like the rubberized texture here. The form of it is actually, it fits in my hand well. So that part of it is actually, I like a lot. I do like the fact that you gave the long bits in the packaging. Long bits actually is a major benefit, especially for the type of things that I use a torque wrench for. So, and there's plenty of them in here. The packaging is very nice and sturdy. It keeps it together. So, all in all, like I said, the main issue I have with this here, the reason why I wouldn't use it is, first of all, the calibration is not accurate, and the control is actually, like I said, like it's hard. Hard to use. So for firearms and small items that you need to put inch pounds of torque on, this here would not be a product that I would recommend for that use. Not sure what the design issue, how you would get this calibrated properly, and how to smooth out the dial, but that's what needs to happen. It needs to be calibrated properly so that one revolution, 10 inch pounds here equals 10 inch pounds here. So if you go 10 here, it should show 10 here. Right now, I got to do 20 here to get 10 here, which is uh, not accurate. I hope this helps. Thank you very much for the opportunity to review the product, and look forward to maybe getting another one to see if we can get that one to work. Have a good one.